Hey everyone, this is Kyle with AEI Corporation. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the head assembly on your Patio Comfort heater. Replacing the head assembly is a great way to get an old heater to function as new without buying a complete replacement. The following steps will apply for both our liquid propane and natural gas heaters. If you have a propane heater manufactured before 2015, contact our customer service department for assistance. The manufacturer date code is located on the body of the head assembly. Before we get started, here's a few things you'll need: a step ladder, a Phillips head screwdriver or drill attachment, a crescent wrench, and a bottle of soapy solution to test for leaks. Now that you know what you'll need to complete the job, let's get started. First, you will want to make sure your gas supply is completely shut off. Next, remove the 3 wing nuts and reflector. Now, remove the 4 screws that secure the heater head to the post. Setting the screws aside, grab your wrench and return to the heater. At this point, you should be able to extend the heater head above the post, exposing the feed line connection. The next step may require an assistant. Get a secure grip on the feed line fitting and detach the heater head as shown. It's now time to install the replacement. Make sure your connection is tight. Now, let's check for leaks. Turn the gas back on. Spray soapy solution on the connection. If there are no bubbles, you are good to go. Last but not least, tighten down the 4 post screws. Reinstall the reflector and your heater is as good as new. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please contact our customer service team. AEI is here to serve any of your outdoor heating or grilling needs.